This is how to recycle an old lawnmower blade, turn it into a machete. I cut the lawnmower blade with a torch, cut the one end down to fit inside this oak handle, which I grooved out, then drilled holes and bolted it in there with 2/4 inch bolts, fastened with lock nuts on the backside, filled in with glue and wood putty, sharpened the blade. I plan on painting the blade and staining the handle. Put some grooves in the oak handle, so whether you're clearing your land and you got a sweaty hand, fighting in the zombie apocalypse, get a little blood smear, it's not going to fall out of your hand. Great way to recycle old blades.